iPhone 15 Pro action button to replace the role of volume buttons when performing a power off force restart. So there was the chat of like, oh, the solid state button. And then they were like, not the solid state button. And then they were like, action button. And then the watch had a button. And a lot of talk about buttons for the upcoming phone. Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max models. Sorry, iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models will introduce a new button press combination to power off and force restart the devices, according to an anonymous source. On newer iPhone models, such as the 14, the user currently powers off the device by simultaneously pressing the side button in either of the volume buttons, while the same buttons are used in either combination to perform a hard reset. However, with a mute switch, expect it to be dropped in favor of a potentially customizable action button. I know, everybody pour one out for the mute switch, which people love that switch. Mm-hmm. You get rid of the switch, you got the action button. I mean, action button is technically more capable, probably less tactile. But that switch is really cool.
You see what I mean? You find it satisfying. Yeah. There will now have to be a new role taken on by the volume buttons when powering off resetting for 15 models. The volume up and power button will no longer be used to power off the device or force restart it, claimed the leaker. Instead, you're gonna have to do a button combo including this action button. The combination will be changed to action plus power button in order to achieve that. Probably this action button is going to do anything you want it to do. That'd be my guess. Or maybe not anything, but like a number of features you want to launch into the camera app, or you want to start a workout,
or Siri. No, I'm just joking.
You mean GPT?
GPT.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Toggle my GPT. I want to toggle my GPT. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterClips. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterClips, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.